Welcome. I'm going to introduce you to the new features and functionality in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020 and Adobe Premiere Elements 2020 photo and video editing software. The Elements products are designed for memory keepers, people who enjoy celebrating life events, making creations with their photos and videos, and getting a wow reaction from friends and family. Memory keepers are always looking for quick and easy ways to edit and create, but they also want room to add their own personal touch and grow their editing skills. Elements 2020 delivers more automation to make things easy, along with some more fun ways to edit and create. The Elements home screen is where it all starts. It appears when you launch one of the products, so you never have to start with a blank screen. The first thing you'll notice is Auto Creations. As the name implies, this feature automatically makes photo and video creations for you and delivers them right to the home screen upon launch. We introduced Auto Creations last year with photo and video slideshows and collages. This year, we're bringing photo effects into the mix. We've added black and white selection, pattern brush, painterly, and depth of field. The effects are created for you, so you don't have to spend time or effort thinking about what to make. Elements does the work of choosing the right photos and creating fun effects. You can just click through and preview them to see which ones you like best. You can also open them up, edit them to add your own personal touch, and of course, share them with friends and family. In addition to Auto Creations, the home screen highlights features you may not know about. The What's New cards show you features that have been added to the product since your last version. The Try This cards suggest fun and interesting features to try out, and they link you right to the features in the product and walk you through how to use them. And if you're not sure where to find something or how to do it, you can always use search. Finally, at any time, you can jump from the home screen to the Elements Organizer, the Photo Editor, or the Video Editor with just one click. And you can always return to the home screen from within the editors. We've done a lot to enhance the Photoshop Elements Photo Editor and the Premiere Elements Video Editor. The editors each offer 3 different modes. Quick for making quick adjustments, Guided, which offers step-by-step guidance with creative techniques and effects, and Expert for when you want to get even more adventurous. Many features are powered by Adobe Sensei AI technology to automatically give you great results. Let's jump into some of the new automated photo editing features. One area we are constantly trying to improve upon is selections. And for 2020, we've made it even easier to select a subject with just one click. Open up any photo, go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Sensei will then analyze your photo, find the subjects in it, whether it's people, dogs, cars, whatever, and automatically make a selection of that subject. This makes it really easy to then go do something like edit the background of a photo. We can really quickly adjust the exposure, maybe darken it just a little bit, and even do something like take the color out by clicking on the Color tab inside the Quick Edit mode. So with just a single click, we can select the subject, and then a couple more clicks to make the photo uniquely ours. Another new feature in Photoshop Elements 2020 is called Colorize Photo. Imagine if you had an old picture of Grandma that you'd scanned in and you wanted to have it in color instead of black and white. Well, now it's as easy as opening up the photo, going to the Enhance menu, and choosing Colorize Photo. You'll get not just one, but 4 different color versions to choose from. So as simple as that, you can take an old black and white and see what it would have looked like in color. The next new trick we've taught Elements to do is to make skin look smoother. Whether it be acne or wrinkles, we could all often use something to make us look just a little bit better. Open up your photo, go to the Enhance menu, and select Smooth Skin. The feature will analyze your photo and figure out just where to apply some smoothing filters. You can control exactly how much work it does and zoom in to see the results. Here's the before, and here's the after. Just enough to make it look a touch better than before. And for folks doing video editing, not to worry. Premiere Elements offers great features as well. The big new one this year is noise reduction. One of the common problems we all face when shooting video in low light is that the video ends up being pretty grainy or noisy. Now, all you need to do is open up that video in Premiere Elements, open the Effects panel, and drag and drop the Reduce Noise filter onto your video. And of course, you can control the outcome by choosing moderate or even high if you have a really noisy video. As simple as that, you can take some grainy video shot in low light and make it look much better. And when you're ready to grow your skills and create new looks for your photos and videos, try guided edits in both Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements. There are 5 new options in Elements 2020. I'm going to show you one so you can see how they work, and then I'll show you some before and afters for the rest. The one I'm going to show you is called Pattern Brush. It's really cool because it helps you take a photo and embellish it with some interesting patterns. It's in the Fun Edits section of Photoshop Elements Guided Edits, and all you have to do is open a photo and click Pattern Brush. Over on the right, there are step-by-step instructions that help you apply this effect. Start by picking a pattern like hearts, and then you can instantly start painting right on your photo. That heart pattern is painted wherever you drag your mouse. Now there are a couple more things you'll want to note. The first one is this Protect Subject checkbox. If you click it, the guided edit will know not to paint hearts on top of the primary subjects of your photo. So you can see as I'm painting the hearts, even if I drag over the girl's face or over the cat, no hearts are painted on top of those key areas. And if you do want to paint hearts on top of the cat, well, you can just uncheck the box. So you can paint the hearts anywhere you want, or you can just let Photoshop Elements do it for you by clicking the Fill button. The next thing you can do is scroll down to some of the optional steps. There's the Pattern Eraser tool, which lets you erase the pattern if it showed up somewhere you don't want it. Just click the button, set the size of your eraser tool, and quickly erase. You can also add a blur to the background to make your subject stand out a little bit more. Just slide the blur slider up, and you can see it's automatically applied. If you need to, click the Refine Blur button to adjust things, but I'm just going to leave it the way Photoshop Elements did it for me. Once you're done applying your pattern effect, click Next. Either save the changes you've made or choose Save As to save the photo as a new file. Keep editing in either quick mode or expert mode, and of course, share it with friends and family. The other new guided edits are really terrific too. Object removal steps you through the process of getting rid of distractions in your photos. In the Premiere Elements video editor, the new Animate Sky guided edit adds a moving sky background to your photo. This one's really cool because it blurs the lines between photo editing and video editing. There's also a new Fill Frame guided edit that helps you take a video you captured on your cell phone where it's tall and skinny instead of wide and short like most videos, and fill in the sides so you actually get a video that has the proper form factor. And finally, the time-lapse video guided edit lets you take a series of photos and blend them together to create a time-lapse video, again blurring the lines between photo editing and video editing. And let's not forget about the Elements Organizer. It's common to both Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements, and it's a powerful tool for keeping track of your photos and videos. The organizer has long been able to recognize faces in your photos. It's also been able to recognize popular subjects in your photos like sunsets, birthdays, dogs, and cats, and then add smart tags to them. Both the face recognition and smart tag features make it quick and easy to find specific photos in your organizer. Well, with Elements 2020, face recognition and smart tags works with videos as well. So it no longer matters whether it's a photo or a video, the organizer can find people and popular subjects in both, and then take you directly to the media that contains those people and subjects. Now, the best part about creating great photos and videos is having the chance to enjoy them and share them with friends and family. Elements 2020 offers a new way to do just that. Easily turn your favorite photos into wall art, prints, home decor, phone accessories, and other great stuff with the Fujifilm Prints and Gifts service within Photoshop Elements. It only takes a few clicks to choose the photos you like in the photo editor or here in the organizer, and then order prints, photo collages, beautiful wall art, mugs, phone accessories, office gear, and much more. There are over 140 options to choose from, so you can surround yourself with your photos and always find the perfect gift for friends and family. I hope you've enjoyed this look at some of the new features in Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020 and Adobe Premiere Elements 2020, the editing software for making amazing photos and movies, fun creations, and forever memories.